Hi, I'm Emanuele Lomello and I am the Media Laboratory Manager in NABA, Fine Arts Academy based in Milan and Rome. Today I'm talking to you from one of our film studios based in the campus of Milan. And the technologies that you are able to see around me are for the virtual production. The virtual production is a new pipeline, it's a new way, it's a new sum of different technologies and techniques to create VFX in camera directly on set. With a classical pipeline, usually actors, camera operators, directors are on the set in which there are a lot of big green screen. And only after the shooting, the VFX department is able to remove the green and add the digital environment. But now, with the virtual production, we are able to see directly on set the digital environment. This is possible because we are using big LED volumes, a new system to track elements, something like lights and cameras and human body, and because we are using a software, an engine to create in real time the digital environment. And good part of these technologies are from game industry, and that's an interesting match in between cinema and game in this moment. Step by step, we are using the LED volumes for the digital environment, but also for the global illumination. The lights that we are using for this shot is from the LED volume. And for example, in this environment, there's a white sphere, and I'm able to control this white sphere with this rigid body. If I move this rigid body, I'm changing the position of this white sphere in a digital environment, and I'm changing the real light that we have on this set. This is possible because we are using an optical motion capture system. The motion capture system is possible because we have these gray reflective spheres connected with 12 cameras that you are able to see in our set because they have a blue ring. There's an object similar to this one on our real camera, and when we move the camera, the real camera, we are moving also the digital camera that we are using for the render in real time. And when we move this real camera, as you can see now, also the images on the back are changing. The motion capture system is important not only for the rigid body, but also for the human animation. We have a suit with a lot of dots that we are using with our students for human body movements. We are using another system, hand tracking system, for the fingers, for the hands, and a third one for the face tracking. We are able to use these technologies not only in real time for streaming or events, but also for a classical pipeline for human movies animations. Well, there are a lot of technologies that we are developing day by day. I hope to see you soon to showing you directly here in our campus, which are the news. Well, thank you for your time and have a nice day. Bye!